Hey, hi all. So today we'll be seeing a new video, and in this video we'll be doing a program on like finding the frequency of characters within a string. So sometimes we need to find out like how many times the one character is available in the string. So let's say this A is available twice in Java. Also, it is available, I mean, it is not available anywhere in the string, but two times it is available, right? Similar way, T is available two times, irrespective of this uppercase or lowercase, right? So that's fine. So let's say as of now we do not need to worry about whether it is uppercase or not. I mean, sorry, I mean we need to, it is right now. Let's say it's a case sensitive. Okay, so this T and this T is not same. So let's say we need to find small t. So then we should get like one times here. It is available, so it should be one. Similarly, capital J. So capital J is also available two times in Java and Jenkins. Okay, let's see how can I do it. So let's see what is my string which I need to find. So that is like character my char or maybe target char is J. Okay, now uh, we have to find the count, right? So we will be creating one variable that is like integer count, and we'll be initializing it with 0. Okay, so now obviously what the logic will be implementing, like whether this j is available within this whole string. So one by one we'll be fetching one character from the string and comparing with this j whether it is equals to j or not. If it is j, then this increment this count value. If it is not j, then just go forward and find the next character in this string. If it is finding the last one, then it will stop. So that's the logic we'll be implementing. So for integer I equals to 0, I less than my string dot length I plus plus, and now we will put a condition um, if my string dot char at index I. So char at is a function available with this string class. So when we override it, let's see why it is giving some error. Okay, so first we need to complete this expression. So dot equals no. Uh, okay, okay. So probably we need to give the equals operator. So equals to target j. Yep. So okay, this my string dot caret, it is actually returning one character. Okay, this is the character value it is not. So it returns the character value of specified index. So whatever index will be specifying as per this for loop. So in I is starting from 0, that is the first element of which is capital S, and then small e, then small l, like this it will be going to this direction. And so let's say the value of I is now 3, so it will be coming as this e. So my string dot char at 3 would be returning small e, and that's all details it is giving here in this direction, in this dialog box. And now next, if this is equals to target character, then just do this count plus plus, means count equals to count plus 1. And finally, when all is done, then we'll be printing uh, number of times target character is present count. Okay, now let's run it and see whether it's printing 2 or not. So number of times j is present is 2, right? So next let's run one more time and give a value of, let's say, o. So it should give me, sorry, this is not o, I think this is o. So let's see whether it's giving any value or not, any count or not. So it's saying number of times o is present is 0. So that is because there is no 0, o is there. So now let's say I'm giving a value of o, which is let's say on, something like that, and I'm just running it, and now I'm getting o is 0 because this o is capital letter, right? So it is not considering it because this is in capital, so we need to give it as a small o, right? Now it is, now it is giving 1 because it is matching with this o. So let's say the question, or maybe the requirement is like we need to figure it out whether t or whatever character is present irrespective of the case. So whether it is a capital letter or small letter doesn't matter. So if o is in capital letter, then also it should find. If it is small letter, then also it should find. So in that case, what we can do, just we can convert it as to lowercase. No, it is not available, right? So maybe what we can do, we before this, here only we can do one thing. My string equals to my string dot to lowercase. Okay, now all these letters are in the lowercase form. So whatever value is giving, we are giving. So no, one thing that we have problem. So no problem. Now we are getting all our lowercase, right? So this target character, that is like O. So what, wherever it is present, it should be there, right? And now if we giving it capital letter, let's say J, okay, then what we can do, is there any way to convert it as small letter, right? So first we need to check whatever letter. So let's check it whether it's available or not. So target character dot to lowercase or character dot to lowercase. I think there is available. There is a class available. So what we can do, like character dot to lower. Okay, so what we are doing, we are just, we do not need this part. I will explain you. We do not need this line. So here I am doing uh, my string to lowercase. So here, if character dot to lowercase equals to target character, right? So uh, we need to use here as well and put this bracket. So we just converting our character to the lowercase, and here we are use here taking help of character class. So character dot to lowercase, and then we are passing this value. So it is taking as a character. So this character is getting here and it is converting into lowercase. Similar way, this is also converting into the lowercase. So now whatever letter is coming, let's say this J is coming here. So J will be converted to the lowercase here and away, and it will compare both. So let's say I'm giving it small j, and now it should give me 2 because I am not considering the capital letter or the small letter. So number of times j is present is 2 because it is doesn't matter whether it is in capital or small. Okay, so that way you can do it. So both the way is fine. I mean, whenever the requirement is like we need to find uh, just the small letters only. It should match only when it is find the small j. Then the previous one is correct. This part we do not need, and here also we do not need this part. So only these two is fine. Then the logic will be fine. And yeah, so I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching.